yabet asago rugo Omobiro asenaro java murabago mnyoka up and down baode na grade 9 teraba yani abana mbabwati sawaji wasoma a constituency yose ngima up to before Christmas. The ministry officials and P, the stakeholders, including my office, to my then which cover stranded in any way. Care and what the secondary schools, in the same compound in primary schools. So provision arrangements have been made. Very unfortunate that I saw Omobiro, where we did 5 classrooms the other day, where a library has been identified, where we have spoken to the head teacher, and I don't know where the chairman of that board, I know the Chinguroji, one on behalf of the government. So, in the Tukwali fears, chairman the one with Mogrango, Unakiregen to Kiavere done, all the measures have been put in place to ensure that we are prepared to usher in every grade 9. Tuangenomo minister the other day, Asagoro Kenyoro Secondary School. Karuto Wadeli to Korea Cultural Day, and they gave also that assurance. The government does not have funds. CDF cannot do the construction of those classes across the constituency, all the constituencies. So, abantu were patient. Like in Vans, politicize some of these issues. Abana was seen when I chance you once very unfortunate, very primitive. I wanted to go rekereno. I go to Gosenelija Kondang, I go to get a message. I come on. I don't know where I go. I can't to so, and that's what we are telling our youth. Let's be responsible. How to raise issues, to raise. How to go to me a windows available in a mature way. But otherwise, I just want to say that programs CDF, just as the last 7 years, we are more than prepared, and we'll make sure that we assist Chiskuru Cheto boards, Chiskuru Echio, to make sure that Mbaiko was stranded in any way.